Very good morning, student. We are studying GK nowadays. In GK, today we will do lesson 28, that is 3 in 1. In this chapter, we will cover the topic syllable. Syllable basically helps you to pronounce a word. How it helps you? Basically, while pronouncing a word, you make a part of that word. For example, there is a word kangaroo. Okay, so kangaroo has 3 parts. Kangaroo. So we are stressing on the 3 parts where we are dividing this word. Syllable basically helps you to do that. So today, while doing the exercise, we try to understand how syllable helps us to pronounce the word and what exact partitions are there in the word. In this way, you will learn how to pronounce a word. And the partition of the word also depend on the length of the word, means how long the word is. So without wasting time, let's start doing the exercise. This exercise you have to do in your book and show it to me in the class group. So let's start the topic. So student, in GK we will study chapter 28, 3 in 1. In this chapter we have to do this exercise today. Let's read it first. A syllable has one sounded vowel only. In the sets below, put the syllables in order so that they form the word meanings. The same as described in the bracket. One is done for you. Here 2 sets are given. We have to form a meaningful word from these syllables. The meaning of that word is given over here. You can take the help of the word given in the bracket, and in this way we have to complete these 2 sets. But before starting this exercise, let me tell you what is a syllable. Syllable basically, when we divide a word according to the stress made on the word, means like here 3 set of words you are looking over here, but they doesn't form any meaning. The meaningful word is written over here, that is numerous. But when we have to speak this word, what we do? Numerous. Means we stress and we make a part on each section of these words. First section is numerous. In the same way, it is done here for you. So the partition of the word is called syllable. Syllable basically helps you to pronounce a word. Means where you have to give stress while speaking is called a syllable. So let's start the topic. Here 3 sets are given. It doesn't make any sense. But when we join or combine these letters, what will happen? They form a meaningful word. Here the meaning of the word which is formed is given over here, many. So we have to form the word which means many. And the word is numerous, means numerous. I hope it is clear. Now, second, it is a sea animal. Octopus means the word of that sea animal is octopus. Students, you are while watching, you can see that where I am stressing, the word where I am stressing is the word of partition. Means if we have to divide a word, we have to divide on the words we are stressing, like octopus. Here it is divided into 3 parts. Octopus is a sea animal, so we will write over here octopus. Okay. Now, it's a fizzy drink. What is a fizzy drink? Lemonade on. So, lemonade. Okay. We have to combine these. It is written in a jumbled form also. It is a laminate. Okay. Now, the fourth is det, clue, kan. And the meaning is finished. Means whatever the word we will form, the meaning should be finished. And the word the word will form, that is conclude. When we conclude anything, it means we are coming to its end point. After giving a speech or after saying something, we come to the conclusion. That's why it is written over here, finished. So, conclude it. Conclude it. We will write over here, conclude it. Okay. Now, jar, pain, us. That is harmful. So, it will be dangerous. Dangerous. Okay. Now, grow. Anything which grow, what the word will form? De, where, up. Develop. So we will write develop. Develop. Okay. Now, exciting time. And the word written over here is char, when, at. When we will unscramble it, what will form? Adventure. Adventure. Okay. Now, to go on. Anything which is in a continuing process. That is continue. Okay. So, we will write over here new. Okay. Now, come to the second one, that is set B. Lee, rectangle. And it denotes the shape. So, it is a shape of a rectangle. So, we will write over here. Rectangle. Now, surprise. When you now first form the word astonish. So, when you astonish, it means you got surprised. Astonish. Now, talking device. Tell a phone. Telephone. Okay. Now, river, reptile. Crow, die. Here you are thinking that, ma'am, it's so simple, we can form the word, but the student, with these words, you can learn the pronunciation also. Means where you have to give break, where you have to give stress, how you have to pronounce, you can learn by syllable. Crow, die. Now, whooping animal. An animal which walk or run by hoop. So, that is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Holiday. Vacation. Okay. Now, safety device. That is, what word we will form? Parachute. Parachute. Now, what will form? Parachute. Parachute. Now, place to keep old times. Where we keep the old things? In the museum. Museum. Now, student, in this way we have completed this exercise. It is a simple one. Also, it will help you to give stress on the words and how to divide the words into different sets, so that you are able to read it. Okay, so that is called syllable. I hope the topic is clear to you all. So thank you.